I'm going to follow these tracks that come from my car back down to the building and see where they go. See where these bicycle tracks go. As you see, there's no tracks over here. But let's see where these tracks go. The only active tracks come from room 24. Were you on a bicycle? Were you just on a bicycle?
Why?
Because somebody was at my car trying to see if my car door was unlocked.
Nobody was trying to see if your car door was unlocked.
On a bicycle, because their footprints stop right next to my car. Right next to my...
slowing down?
Right next to my driver's door. Footprints?
Oh no, I stopped near your car so I could turn my ass around.
That's not what the video and the tracks show. It shows you stopping right next to my driver's door.
Bro, go have a nice night, bro.
I heard the noise.
Call the cop.
Stay away from my vehicle. That's who it was. That guy's son.